So this is money. Okay, do you know the Indian? Because we will be talking about only the Indian currency here. Because the question.
Yes, ma'am, I know. Rupees and paisa.
Rupees and paisa.
Rupees and paisa. How many
Hello.
paise are there? Okay, we say paisa when it is only 1 paisa. If it is more than 1 paisa, call it paise. It's E in the end. Okay. Now, how many paise makes 1 rupee?
Ma'am, 100.
Okay. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. That means we will use paise only when we are talking of money which is less than 1 rupee.
Yes,
If our money is less than 1 rupee, only then paise comes into the picture. Because 100 paise collected together makes 1 rupee. So if I have 99 paise, it is less than 1 rupee. Right? Till the time it is not 100, it is not a rupee. It is paise only. Chalo. This was simple. And Indian currency is either in the form of notes or in the form of coins. So in coins, we use 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin, and now there is a new coin in India, which is a 20 rupee coin. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I've seen that 20 rupee coin.
There is a new coin in the market, which is of 20 rupee. And when I talk about notes, 1 rupee note is very rare to find now. 2 rupee note is also very rare to find. 5 rupee note, very rare to find. Why? Because we generally use coins of these denominations. But yes, notes do exist. 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note exist in India. But you will rarely
find. I've seen the 10 rupee note also and 100 and
10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 200 rupee note, 500 rupee note.
Ma'am, there's also 500, 1000 and 2000.
But 1000 is no longer in use there. It is a long time back we stopped using. I mean, in Indian currency, in place of 1000, new note was introduced, which is of 2000. So 1000 is banned now. It is not in use anymore from a very long time. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 200 rupee note, 500 rupee note, and 2000 rupee note are the notes that we use in our day-to-day lives. I'm only giving you this information. You won't get any question on this. Question will be a difficult one. But this is good to know information. You should know all this.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, questions will always be hard. You won't get such easy questions that which all denomination notes do we use in India. No. This, even your book will not be having these easy questions. Now look here. We can express money both in words and in figures. Figures means, what is the form?
In a drawing or something.
No, not drawing. No, it is not drawing.
Then what is
Figures means in numbers. And word means, do you know word form? Did I teach you word form when we were doing the first chapter? Number system?
No.
In number system, I must have taught you word form, then numerical form and expanded form.
Yes, expanded form you told us.
From a numeral form you taught us.
See, this is numeral form, okay? And this is word form. So I say this is in figures, this is F, and this is in word form, this is W.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the symbol that we use for rupees in India is this. You know R in Hindi? R.
Yes, ma'am. And just make a one line.
But I don't.
R and then two lines.
Ma'am,
But
just
ma'am-
put a line on the
But
line.
ma'am, earlier it was written as R.
Capital R, small s. But now we use the symbol every.
Yes, because it's
RS
easy
with a
for
dot.
It's easy for the Indians students who can write the
Yes. Okay.
But the
Now-
symbol, ma'am, this is called symbol.
This is symbol for rupees, and this is the symbol for paise.
Fine.
Small p. Small p.
Ma'am,
P
what?
in small letters. P in small letters, not in capital letters. In small letters. Yes, Ribanta?
Ma'am, what is the symbol of coin?
Coin ka there is no symbol. It is symbol of the money that we use. Coin is like circle, or it can be hexagon. It can be, I mean, different shapes are there.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
it can be octagon. I mean,
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I also saw the
20
the
rupee
old
coin
coins.
is, yeah,
It was like a
yes,
it was like a flower kind of.
yes.
The old
Yes, ma'am.
20
I also saw it.
This was like a flower.
Flower.
Yes. There are different shapes. Okay. Now, do you know why this dot is there in this thing, in the money written?
Yes, ma'am. To separate the rupees and the cents. I
So
mean,
we use
We
dot.
are subtracted.
Okay, suppose if I say write 20 rupees, how will you write? You will say
Ma'am,
this symbol
ma'am,
and you will write 20.
ma'am.
This is 20 rupees.
The dot between the numbers to
but ma'am,
the rupees
when
and
writing
paisa.
some rupees and paisa, we use dot to separate the rupees and the paisa.
First, let me tell you how to write rupee thing, how to write paise thing, and then I'll come back to dot. If I have to write,
But ma'am, I know the use of the dot which is there.
yeah, I understood that. There, your answer is correct. Dot, I know. You're saying, whatever you're saying is right. But before I come to dot, I want to explain the simpler things. Like if I have to write 20 rupees in figures, then I will write it like this. Symbol of rupee and then 20. If I have to write it in words, then I will write 20 first like this. And then I will write rupees, and that too like this. Okay. So the first one is your figures and second one is your word form. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
suppose if I have to write 10 paise, then this is how I write in figures, 10p. And if I have to write the
Ma'am,
significant word,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, right now your voice was breaking.
my voice was breaking. Okay, now is it clear? It is
Yes,
internet
ma'am.
issue.
First to me is clear.
Okay, this is figure form and this is word form. This is figure form here and this is word form here. Am I clear with this much to everyone?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes,
I'm combining them. I want to write 20 rupees and 10 paise. So as Dharya said, and other children were also answering, that now we use dot to separate rupee and paise. So when I put this dot, with this dot, I will not put this P sign. Dot means 10 belongs to paise. But still I will put the rupee sign because still I am not sure what is 20. This dot separates my paise from my rupee. So if I have to write 20 rupees, 10 paise, then before 20, I will put this symbol of rupee and before 10, I will put this dot. So it becomes 20 rupees, 10 paise. But somebody is trying to speak something, I think.
Ma'am, it may be. Maybe it must be admin now.
Oh, Admina is also facing problem like me. Admina, was that you? Oh, nahi, Admin, I can't understand.
Ma'am, she just actually it was just like I'm facing a. She almost said like I'm facing a network
Internet
issue.
issue. Network issue. So this is how, children, we write 20 rupees 10 paise. See, look here. 215 rupees 50 paise. There is no symbol of P. When we combine rupee and paise, in place of writing P, we put this dot before paise. Okay. So 215 rupees, this is the figure form and this is the word form. So it is written as 215 rupees and 50 paise.
Ma'am.
Yes.
But actually I had a question that the figure we write to separate the rupees and paise, can we write it in the word form also?
Yeah, both the forms are there. Any you can write it in both forms, no problem.
So ma'am, how you said to write rupee 20? So after that, will we put the dot and say 10 paisa?
We say 10 paise. See, it is not rupee 20. It is always 20 rupees. Rupees always comes
Okay,
after.
ma'am. Actually, in the writing form,
Yes.
after 20 rupees, do we need to write the dot?
Dot means, okay, this is the figure form here. Dot is in place of that P. See, I used to write 10 paise like this.
Yes, ma'am.
But now I am not using this P in place of this P because I have to combine rupee and paise. So in place of this P, I'm using this dot.
So ma'am, how can we write this in the word form?
See, we will write it like this. 20 rupees 10 paise.
Ma'am, does it come like 10 paise 20 rupees or does it always come like 20 rupees 10?
Always comes like 20 rupees 10 paise. Why? Because always the bigger number comes first. So rupees is always bigger than paise because 100 paise will make 1 rupee. Is it clear, Dharya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ribanta, tell me.
But ma'am, actually, I'm again and again not able to hear your voice. It's breaking again and again.
Bacha, but Dharya, I think it is net problem from your end because right now my internet connection is pretty stable. Alarika, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, very clearly.
Mukund, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, very clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
So maybe Dharya is also facing internet issue today. Admina is also facing and Preeti ma'am is also facing. So we are cooking khichdi today. Actually,
But I'm also facing some. Like
yeah,
some.
you're also facing some. Okay, yes, Rebanta, what is it?
Not all.
Ma'am, so when we will use the means paisa?
Paise, when you say when to use paisa means what?
When needed, take. Use paisa.
Rebanta, I didn't get your question. You're saying when can we use paise means?
Means when we will write means which is the time to take the paise.
See,
Like we are like
whenever money is less than 1 rupee, then we use paise. If it is 99 paise, it is not even 1 rupee, isn't it?
okay, ma'am.
Okay, so paise is always less than a rupee. So if I have to write anything which is less than 1 rupee, I will have to use paise.
Okay.
Okay. Acha. Ab, okay, this is also nice. Yes, Mukund?
Ma'am, is our rupees always higher than paise?
Yes, Mukund. No. Yes, why? Because 100 paise makes 1 rupee, na? 100 paise makes 1 rupee. So if I need 2 rupees, I need 200 paise. So which is bigger? Rupee is always bigger because only just 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So imagine how big the rupee is. Just small 1 rupee. Think about 100 rupees. How many paise will you collect? My God, you'll keep on collecting paise only.
Ma'am, 1,000 paise for 100 rupees.
Ma'am, if we use
10,000.
ma'am, if we need five rupees, then we have to collect
500 paise. है ना? अच्छा, tell me, who can tell me difference between these two?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell, please?
I know the reason.
And how can I tell, please?
Can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell? I'm Pranavi. Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Alarika was not there in the last class, so let Alarika try and answer it first. Let's see if Alarika goes right or wrong. Okay, let Alarika try. Yes, Alarika, go ahead.
Ma'am, the difference is that in the first one there is a 5 and the second one there is a 50 because 0 is first, so it's a 5 and the 0 is after, so it's a 50.
Excellent. When I say 9.05, so that means 9 rupees and 5 paise. And when I say, when there is a dot, I mean, this is written as 9 rupee 50 paise because there is 50 in the second one. And because there is 05 in the first one, so this becomes 5 paise. Suppose if it is written like this, what will you understand from this? Is it 5 or is it 50?
Ma'am, we
will not be able to understand it.
9 rupees 5.6. It's 5
Acha,
only.
this will always, yes, Pranavi, how will you understand this?
Ma'am, I
It's
cannot
5 only
understand
because if 0 is there,
No,
it is 5.
Ma'am, I
no.
cannot understand this in this way because we cannot make out the figure by 0.
First thing, let me tell you that paise is always a 2-digit number. It is never a single digit number. See what exists in paise. It exists from 1 to 99 only. After that, there is rupee starts. Na? When it is 100, it changes to rupee. So
Yes, ma'am.
only
It
thing,
makes 100 paise.
so the only thing that you have, what happened there? By you going?
No, the 1 rupee, the 100 becomes 1 rupee.
Yeah. So either it could be 1 paise, 2 paise, 3 paise, 4 paise, 5 paise, 6 paise, 7 paise, 8 paise, 9 paise. Only these 9 digits or 0.
900.
Only these digits can be written as like this, 0, 1, 0, 2. Otherwise, all from 10 to 99, all are 2-digit numbers. So there is no confusion. But when it is 01, 02, 03, 04, like this, always it is 1 paise, 2 paise, 3 paise, like this. Yes, and what is the doubt?
Ma'am, in the past, there is no money, so how we buy things?
But in the past also money was there, but not big as this one. In the past also money was there, but which currency was being used in the past, I don't know. Mudraएं होती थी. Mudraएं you must have learnt in Hindi subject. कि सोने की मुद्रा, चांदी की मुद्रा, money तो पहले भी थी.
In this grade we didn't learn, but I learned it from a Hindi episode that it was in olden days.
Yeah. In ancient times, in the earlier days, money was still there, but in a different form.
But this, it was different. It was like right now, a golden shield type of, and they said Swan Mudra.
Yeah, mudra is the term that I read.
Swan Mudra.
Money is not invented. They use barter system. Ma'am.
Which system?
Barter system.
What is that now?
TAR, barter system. My teacher told it about me. They used to exchange things. Ma'am, I think butter system is that in which butter is put into a bread. Ma'am, I think in the past butter system.
Butter system.
Yes, butter.
It looks like butter system.
I have never read about butter system.
Ma'am, if I have potato, for tomato, I give potato to you. You will give me tomato like that.
Okay, like that. Okay, exchange of.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rebanta.
Alarika make like we are learning math and Alarika goes to science.
Okay.
It makes
That's okay. Ma'am, new things.
But
ma'am, can it be 20? Ma'am, can it be 20 rupees?
I had a question. We are learning maths. This is the maths Olympiad class. Why are you talking about the MD thing?
It's okay, ma'am. Get to know new things from people, but we will not elaborate on that. Only learning something in specific thing is fine, but we won't elaborate that. Yes, what's that?
Ma'am, does rupees keep on going or does it stop at one place?
No, it keeps on going, but the highest denomination we use, Mukund, is 2,000 rupee note. We do not have a better note than that yet.
Ma'am, can it be the rupee, 5 rupee, or 10 rupee 5 paise?
Yeah, simple. 10 rupee 5 paise will be like this.
Means the paise goes to 1 to 99.
Yeah, so 5 paise will be written as 0.5. Always keep this in mind. If you write 50, it becomes 50 paise.
Ma'am, can it be 10.10? Means
yeah, it can be 10.10. Why not 10 rupee 10 paise? Hello.
And there is 1 minute left for the class.
Yeah, Ishan, is there any other question? I will not extend the class today. Last time I extended it, God knows for how long.
Ma'am, I think in the past we give something to a shopkeeper and buy what we have to buy.
Yeah, that system was also there, but that was very old time.
Ma'am, the mudras kept on a little bag.
Yeah,
we are called wallet, but it is a little type of a.
So let me see if I can give you some questions. Okay, no homework for today. Let me give you a relaxation time. Okay. No homework today. The only thing is the children who did not do the test, finish it. Okay,
ma'am, do it.
And next, see, I'm giving you a gap. I gave you so much of homework. So I'm giving you gap. But when I give more homework, then don't say, ma'am, why more? It depends on the situation.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. And children, this whole chapter is already there. Wherever you find worksheets and data, it's all already there. For the whole thing money. So make sure that you cross check. Just
ma'am, actually I already print out the 4 point also.
Okay. Acha, tell me one thing, that Daksh and Udipan, why don't you speak in the class? Are you feel shy or something? Or Daksh still speaks, but Udipan doesn't speak at all.
Nothing.
Daksh is saying, ma'am, nothing. Ma'am, I don't waste my energy. I use my.
But
What? What is that?
Mini lesson.
Oh, you got a book. You printed everything.
Yes, everything.
Very nice. That's great. Very good.
Yes.
Very good. That's
ma'am, ma'am, but earlier when I didn't speak, the network connection with her was so weak. So that's why so you didn't thought that she speak.
Okay. You are also very good, Rebanta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Chalo, ठीक है. Now I'm leaving. I won't extend the class when we are
Bye.
chat. So see you on Thursday and relax. No homework for today. So you people can relax. Yeah?
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Bye
Okay,
bye.
bye, ma'am.
See you on
Bye, ma'am.
Thursday.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank
you,
ma'am. Bye,
Ma'am, how was my drawings?
Very nice, beautiful.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Ishan, do you want to show me your drawing now?
Ma'am, can I show a drawing?
Yes, you can show me now if you want to. Jaldi say within a minute. It should not take longer.
Can I get my drawing?
Everyone is getting the drawings. My God, everyone.
I'll draw something.
Nice, Ishan. The camera
Ma'am, what is
is
happening?
not that clear. Not that clear.
Ma'am, I cannot see it.
Frog on my own.
Oh, wow, my God.
Oh,
What
my
is that?
connection is gone. Or what?
Wow.
Boy, very nice, Pranvi. Nice. My internet connection is unstable, so I can get disconnected.
Ma'am, I did.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, Ishan, you made this. Oh God, this is beautiful. Very nice, Pranavi. Is that art? Is that craft work? Very nice.
Yes, ma'am, it is craft work.
Nice, beautiful. You people are, I mean, excellent, huh? Is that a card, Ishan?
Yes, ma'am. Mom and dad anniversary.
Yeah, you did show that to me. I remember. Nibanta, is it looking like you or is it looking like me? I think it resembles me somehow. Very nice.
No, no, not you.
Landscape.
That is
Wow,
a mouse.
nice.
A little mouse.
That is
Loves us.
wow. So I thought that
Landscape
mouse
and
is
reflection painting.
very nice. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Bye,
Chal,
ma'am.
going. It is 8:19. I'll get a call from Olympiad Success someday. Okay. Bye.
Oh, no, no, no. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.